All right, let's do an updated mock-up video of the Jeep LS Swap. I've got the motor back from the machine shop. It's an iron block 5.3 that's been bored to 5.7. That's 110 thousandths over. New cam bearings, fresh deck, etc. I've got the LS6 heads here and the TIC Performance camshaft. So back to the car. Last time this hose was rubbing on the fan, so I did like I said, and I cut a 1/2 inch out of this power steering reservoir bracket and moved it back almost to touching that bolt, and that gave me just enough clearance for that hose now, front and back, so it's not touching. I mocked up the air cleaner or air intake, just sitting right there for now. I'd like to do some kind of box or anything, but I'm running real tight on space. Maybe right there. Something custom at a later date, but that'll work for now. And I got the coolant overflow bottle and windshield washer bottle installed. That's about it for now. Once I get that motor built in the next couple of days, get it slammed in there with the transmission, I will start bolting things on more permanently and doing the wiring harness, etc. and go from there. Hopefully another week or two and this thing should be running down the road. Until next time. Oh, I got the transmission cooler on there. It's a plate and fin cooler. It's like an upgraded Silverado one. It's like twice the size. So that should cool that 4L60 down just fine.